Hey there! You have an SRP Lobe type pump? Proper maintenance and care will ensure that there is no hiccups in production. I want to walk you through how to disassemble the pump so it can be properly cleaned. Before we start, grab the 5mm T-handle hex that came with your pump and a small flathead screwdriver. You ready? The first thing you will do is remove any extensions or spouts on the pump by removing the retaining nut. Now remove the 4 thumb screws. So, depending on your product being used, sometimes the housing will stick to the pump cover. If that happens, take 2 of the thumb screws and screw them into the left and right side of the pump housing like this. Don't forget to set the screws properly by turning the screws counterclockwise before clockwise, also known as CCBC. Once the housing separates from the pump cover, remove the thumb screws in the housing. Leaving them in will increase the chance of damaging a thumb screw. Carefully remove the housing from the pump cover. You see those 2 blue nylon bearings? Use your flathead screwdriver and gently remove them. While you still have the screwdriver accessible, use it to carefully remove the O-ring. Now remove both of the impellers. Flip the pump cover over and use your 5mm hex to remove the 4 screws from the plate assembly. Remove the plate assembly from the pump cover. Both of the shafts have black shaft seals around them. Slide those off of the shafts. Okay, now that the pump is in pieces, you need to clean everything really well with dish detergent and warm water. Only use soft sponges and brushes, and never use metal scouring pads or steel wool. Once you have cleaned all of the parts, dry them completely. This is a good time to inspect your O-rings, shaft seals, and bearings. It's always a good idea to keep some of these parts on hand. You can always purchase spare parts from Edhard. Just give us a call and we can ship them out to you. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and then the subscribe button for more helpful videos.